va mino bose ase egesaku niko bone kiombekemo kemanyekene una civility voice diplomats Dominic Obadia ritkoria rero nigo hanyara koba gako barigania habageni kurwase kiombe ya top talent agency me county Kisii asomoroberio homanyekanete buna Kenya keynote tour abo hase bakora etaro gochase e county ya Kisii erikoena na obasemia kobasira aborokiwa hase okoba akanera school fees ogwana nebitamba byo bachane gochia ase chiskuru cy'abana abanyaruka negati ebintu binde binge buna gotomanya Caroline Mausa.
Dominic Obadia uyoro muteneri bwe kiombe kya civility voice diplomats ekikerene kirenga gyo kwene kebuna bali batabwati neryo girio kuigwekana nko babale bagokonywa kuigwekana ebirero byabo nanene muno kwenyorera obokonyi bono litkolya lero nigo Obadia aletira bageni kurwase enseri ya USA abo bakorwa kurwase kiombe kemanyikanete buna top talent agency asomoroberyobo o Kenya keynote tour eyaba ikera barabugo ikerana ase ensemo ya Gusii abwase baba bagotara imechi sukuru no kubasira aborokigwa anene muno asokwena na obosemi kubakanira school negatie bintu binde binge na anene muno korweire yo kubarigeria amabaga yegasigo kya saborokigwa bali banyare ko baba gukura amasomo ye university.
With Top Talent Agency and Kenya Keynote Tour, they are doers. They believe dreaming is good, but doing is better. Service to humanity is service to God, and that is exactly what Kenya Keynote Tour and Top Talent Agency are doing, and they believe in leadership, transformational leadership. Over the last 1 week, they've been going around schools in this country. We have reached over 20,000 students speaking about leadership and raising young leaders. It's usually lonely at the top if you don't raise another leader with you. So right now, we believe in the young people. We know they're the solution for this generation and the generations to come. We continue to work in partner with like-minded organizations that are doers, but not sayers.
The students welcomed us very warmly, as well as the faculty, and it was really a pleasure to be able to take some of my experience and instill it in your youth, because they are your future, and we want them to know that they can achieve, that they can advance, and we are here to provide them with knowledge, encouragement, and inspiration for them to grow and achieve and to be like us.
Nigo basegetire chisemigo cyase abana abanyaruka babe bagosemiwa nabo igo kubakonya konyorera emirema samatukabo alemutwe eliti bako babagutwara emechando emenge.
Goal and my mission is to empower voices from the inside out, particularly with women and children, because when you empower a voice to take one step and speak up with their action, with what they need, they can reach their dream. And we've seen that happen. I also am sponsoring and part of a group called couldyou.org, where we are bringing menstrual cups to your land that cost $10 each for 10 years, compared to the thousands you might spend on pads. And we are giving these away, we are donating them, and we are making Kenya aware. Kenya already is aware that if we keep a girl in school, that will transfer to $30 to $50 trillion in your economy and empower the women for their children as well. So when you empower a woman from the inside out, she's unstoppable.
Here to offer hope and inspiration to the youth of Kenya, but I received so much more hope and inspiration from them. They are so clever and so bright, and it is so exciting because we are providing opportunities for youth in Kenya to become globally empowered with employment. And finding the amazing talent that we have found here in Kenya has been just mind-blowing.
Abagani abo baigo nigo borokiwe okogokiwa kwabo abwase batebire buna nigo babeire bakwareganiwa asencherere ngiya mono na baigo batebire buna nige chisukuru ekibabeire bagochitarera chiabeire chiko bagania byana wakwambia mono gochaso muteneri bwe kiombe kigia civility voice diplomats asokoleto moroberio yo ime county ya Kisii.
Every school that we've visited, we've received a very warm welcome. Oftentimes our people have been stunned into silence for a few moments just to really appreciate how much love these students have for us, that these staff and faculty have been very wanting us to come back to not only support the students but also see the progress on the very specific students, that some of the people here that were so touched by them that are now sponsoring them one-on-one to see their progress in their education, because we understand that the future of Kenya is here, and the minds are sharp and they're hungry, and so we want to continue on so that way they can continue to have a wonderful future.
Ginko reporteria Amaya Imeyen Soko TV korwase kaunti ya Kisii, Edietaria Nemausa, Caroline.